Model, 1987 Volkswagen Lt 31 LWB high-top camper motorhome easy fuel issue repair fiamma side awning 2.4 petrol. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 141110. Engine, 2400 cc petrol. Transmission, 4-speed manual. Mechanical summary, carburetor issue starts perfectly and runs great on easy start. Engine is perfect. Also, the clutch pedal is now on the floor so has some kind of clutch issue thinking face. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, hob, sink, fully fitted camper, fridge, bed. Euro status, Euro. HPI, clear.